Hey everyone, John Fowler here to announce the latest product from ZYX Creative. It's the Carrier Undermounted genset for refrigerated containers. You can see them here on the Dole piggybacks. You get a set of 3 fully finished and decorated gensets ready to install. The models come branded for TAL, Florens, and FlexiVan. They also come unbranded. Three spare tire racks are also included. They are easy to install. I use super glue to attach the parts. The genset models are designed to fit Athearn chassis. When the glue is dry, I paint the tire racks. I use rubber cement to attach the containers to the chassis. It took me about 30 minutes to put all these details on, including time for the glue to dry. One last install and they're ready for the train. To order, go to my website, ZYXCreative.com.